In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the video aspect ratio in CapCut PC quickly and easily. This is super useful whether you're making a YouTube video, a vertical short, a square post, or a social media edit that needs to fit the right frame. If you've ever opened a project and realized the canvas doesn't match your platform, this simple fix will save you time and help your video look more professional. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and load the project you want to edit. Once your project is open, look at the preview window. Under that preview area, you'll see an option called Ratio. This is the setting that controls your video's aspect ratio, which basically decides the shape of your final video frame. Click on Ratio to open the list of available options. CapCut gives you several common aspect ratios to choose from, depending on what kind of content you're creating. For a standard widescreen video, choose 16:9. This is the best option for YouTube and most desktop video formats. If you're making a vertical video for TikTok, Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts, select 9:16. If you want a square layout for social media posts, choose 1:1. And if you need a slightly taller format for some mobile platforms or feed content, 4:5 can be a great choice too. Once you select the aspect ratio you want, CapCut will instantly update the project canvas. You'll notice the preview frame changes right away, and your video will now fit the new layout. If your clips don't sit perfectly inside the frame, you can easily adjust their position or scale them to make sure the important parts stay visible. That's one of the reasons this tool is so helpful. It lets you adapt one video for multiple platforms without starting over from scratch. If you're working on content for different channels, it's always a good idea to choose the aspect ratio before you do too much editing. That way you can frame your shots properly from the beginning and avoid having to fix cropping issues later. So, to quickly recap, open your project, click Ratio below the preview window, and pick the format that matches your platform, whether that's 16:9, 9:16, 1:1, or 4:5. And that's it. You've successfully changed the video aspect ratio in CapCut PC. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and I'll see you in the next video.